Cooks, today we're making chicken and green bean stir fry. We're going to try out for the very first time this Nuwave Mosaic Precision Induction Wok, right? This is the first time we're going to use this. We seasoned this wok all up. It's ready to go. And now we're going to make a chicken stir fry. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So today we're making chicken and green bean stir fry, and we're going to be using the Nuwave Induction Wok. This is kind of interesting. We seasoned this wok, so I'll put a link up here and in the description about how we seasoned it. It runs on induction, so it's not like your typical electric wok, and it looks like that, right? So now we're ready to cook. Okay, so our wok is heated up. I have some little bit of high temperature oil here. Woo!
Yeah, get going.
We're gonna go ahead and put some chicken here. So I marinated this chicken in a little, I got some soy sauce in there, a little bit of hoisin, a little bit of oil, and some seasonings. I have some garlic, and wow, this thing gets hot. I didn't know about that. I have some garlic, white pepper. Now let me turn this up a little bit. Garlic, white pepper. And we're just gonna stir fry this chicken. So what I did is I thinly sliced the chicken, like butterfly style, separated, and I cut it really thin so it looks like this. I think one of the mistakes I do in the past is I have the chicken too big. So I did it really thin this time. So this is the induction wok. This wok has this thing here. And a lot of people would complain about electric woks, but this induction wok gets really hot. I think it's kind of interesting that they have managed to get this to work with induction.
The base, I think, says it'll go up to 575, but we've temperature probed it up to 700.
Yeah, we've had it up to like 700 degrees. So one of the things when you're cooking with a wok, the hottest part is going to be down at the base. If you have pieces that are cooking, you can move them up here because it's a lot cooler around the edge. That's one great thing about a wok. Let me switch out my paddle here, my spatula, because I was using that on the raw chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and I'm going to take the chicken out. We don't want it to overcook. Okay, so let's cook up our vegetables. Have some more high temp oil. Woo! We have some onion in here. Wow! Wow. This thing does not play around. So this thing is pretty cool. I like it so far. It's easy to move stuff around. I can't flip. I ain't even gonna try it. It definitely gets way hotter than my regular cooktop. And people will say, oh, I got a gas cooktop. Well, some of those gas cooktops do not have very high BTUs.
No.
We lived a place one time years ago, and it had terrible heat on that thing.
It was kind of like our camper that week.
Yeah.
Now, if you got a camp chef or something, you can crank it up.
So I'm going to put some bell peppers in here. Oh, that looks so good. Nice char on it. One thing about a wok, you just want to keep stuff moving in there. So I'm going to make the sauce here real quick. This is soy sauce and oil, a little bit of oil. I'm going to put some brown sugar in here as I watch this cook. I turned it down a little bit just so I can do the sauce. I have some garlic in here. I think I'm going to put that in the stir fry. I have some rice vinegar. And I have some, I have some ginger, ground ginger, and I have some hoisin sauce. I should have made this first, but I forgot. I'm going to zip it with a little chili sauce, so we have a little sweetness going on, and we will be putting some cornstarch in here.
Do you have any of your white pepper in there?
Yeah, let me put some white pepper. I'm totally doing this out of order. Make the sauce first, right?
So read the recipe, don't do what we're doing.
So I'm going to go ahead and put in the green beans. Actually, I'm going to put the sliced garlic in here first. So I'm going to go ahead and put some green beans in here. Yum. I think I need a little bit more oil. And I'm going to put some mushrooms in here. I got the fan on here a little bit.
Don't go too crazy with the oil. The mushrooms are going to release water.
Wow, this is looking delicious. Look at that. I think I'm loving this wok. So I'm going to go ahead and put a tablespoon of cornstarch in here. This is our sauce. We're going to go ahead and put our chicken back in here. Heat it up a little bit. We're going to be putting our sauce in here. And it's going to tighten up here pretty quickly.
One disclaimer is with all the steam coming off this wok, I think if you have a cold, it'll clear your nose right up.
Yeah. That's looking amazing.
I think the sauce tightened up already, Bobo.
Yeah. Got the sauce tightened up. So this is done. Let me go get the rice. Okay, so let's serve us up some dinner, right?
Yeah.
I have some rice here in this.
Ooh.
So I put the wok onto this little stand that it comes with.
Yay.
Just for serving.
Sure.
Because I'm extra.
Yeah.
My rice has been sitting here for a little bit, so I need to fluff it up.
Rice cookers are kind of cool, aren't they?
Yeah, I love them. So we're going to give us a little rice here, or a lot of rice.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And we can give us a little chicken and green bean stir fry here. Mm-hmm.
With sauce?
Got some sauce on there.
Yeah.
Got some green beans, mushrooms, onion.
Yeah, it's the only way you should get me to eat vegetables.
Huh?
The only way you get me to eat vegetables is to mess with me.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So here you go, Bill.
Ah, thank you, Boo-Boo. Looks
I
tasty.
gave you a lot.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go ahead and make a little plate here. Rice. Ooh, a little stir fry action.
I'll give you a little spoiler alert. The bell peppers are still got a little crispy, crunchy to them.
Tender.
So it tastes great. The sauce is really good. Chicken's tender and still moist.
Okay, time to try the stir fry. It looks amazing. Green beans,
Mm-hmm.
crisp tender.
Tasty, isn't it?
Really tasty. Chicken. Really tender.
Sauce got into the rice, so that's tasty.
Mm-hmm. Mushrooms, rice. This is really good.
Mm-hmm. So I think marinating the chicken helped.
So my thoughts on the wok, it did a great job. It gets way hotter than anything on your cooktop.
Mm-hmm.
We've gotten that thing up to 700-800 degrees when we burned off the wok. It's great. It is intimidating for me because I'm not like I'm a beginner wok cooker. So for me to get the right balance of the sauce and the right balance of the vegetables cooked at the right time, it's a challenge for me. But the more I do it, the better I'll get. I hope you like this. There'll be links down in the description to the wok. I'm on my way to finish my dinner. Thanks for joining us.